In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels to organize Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Labels are a simple way to categorize your records, so you can find what you need faster and keep your pipeline clean. We'll start with leads, then show you how to set up labels for contacts and deals using a custom field, and finish with a quick filtering tip to surface only what matters. First, head to the left sidebar and click Leads. From there, choose Leads Inbox. This is your central place for capturing and reviewing incoming opportunities before they turn into active deals. Keeping this area organized with labels helps you prioritize at a glance. Inside the leads inbox, look for the label column next to each lead. Click in that column for any lead, and select a label from the options that appear. Use clear, meaningful labels that reflect how you work. Things like source, urgency, or follow-up status. You can update labels as your lead progresses, which keeps your list accurate without changing any core details. Once you've labeled a few leads, use the filter at the top right to focus on exactly what you want to see. Open the filter, choose the label you're interested in, and Pipedrive will display only the leads with that label. This is great for planning your day, running quick reviews, or handing off a set of clearly defined leads to a teammate. When you're finished, clear the filter to return to your full list. You can also bring the same clarity to contacts and deals. To do that, you'll add labels as a custom field. Click the profile icon in the top right, select Company Settings, and then click Data Fields in the left pane. This is where you control the fields that appear on different record types in Pipedrive. Next, choose the entity you want to add labels to, such as contacts or deals. Click the Add Custom Field button at the top left, and create your custom label field. Give it a clear name so your team knows exactly how to use it. If available, pick a single or multiple option field type to keep choices consistent and easy to filter later. Keep your label list concise, and use the same naming across leads, contacts, and deals so your filtering stays predictable. That's all. With labels and leads, and a simple custom field for contacts and deals, your workspace becomes cleaner, faster to navigate, and easier to act on. Start with a few practical labels, apply them consistently, and use the top right filter whenever you need a focused view.